SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which basically is very critical. SLP, all things considered, faces opposition at $0, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir explicitly is buy-in by esteemed at $0 backing for the generally bears for the most part has been laid out at $0 the 4th of April 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through sort of Smooth Love mixture cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues. What basically is truly momentary cost expectation for essentially Smooth Love Elixir. Truly is SLP a very wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they especially thought. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized examination, by and large let us really discuss the for the most part current economic situations, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the SLP specialized investigation. Generally, let us basically discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. Market examination over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,182,407,897,617, which basically is genuinely critical. The really complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $52,294,939,930 amazingly. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, which really is very critical, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, which really is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03. Following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 2.13 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, showing that Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in a really significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending course for essentially present moment, which certainly is very huge. As of now, and in every practical sense, general exceptionally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which most certainly shows that the sort of all-out exchanging volume really remains at $52,294,939,930, or so they certainly thought. Smooth Love mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,407,897,617 in an unpretentious manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers sort of become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how market examination over the last 24 hours. There certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,182,407,897,617 exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants truly become move in every way that really matters, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they especially thought. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of really Smooth Love Elixir kind of Smooth Love mixture execution. The everyday graph of pretty Smooth Love Elixir basically shows that the SLP cost truly has a genuinely descending development with a 1.18% decline and especially beyond 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The value worth of the really Smooth Love mixture coin especially is remaining at $0 market capitalization $137,276,313 USD. So these occasions basically demonstrate that the market is going in a descending heading for commonly present moment, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is floating around $10,395,115 USD, showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market basically is going in a descending heading for kind of present moment, which by and large is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Elixir Value Examination SLP Cost Examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time span commonly made sense of beneath, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving truly normal union and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal and outstanding moving genuinely normal to break down the future development of the sort of smooth love mixture in an every practical sense significant way. The extremely relative strength file demonstrates that the SLP coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 34, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as ETHEREUM explicitly has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, which essentially is very huge. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid in a very enormous manner. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the truly everyday diagram in a kind of significant manner especially. While SLP's Williams %R marker certainly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition, a exchange in every practical sense. Signal in a real sense is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that these occasions all things considered demonstrate that the market in every way that really matters is going in an all things considered, descending heading for genuinely momentary in an unobtrusive manner. As per the regular turn, the pivotal quick opposition for SLP may in every practical sense be basically found at $0, by and large followed by $0, which sort of shows that as of now, a sort of broad really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part shows that the especially complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $52,294,939,930, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels sort of were situated at $0 afterward $0 in exceptionally huge manner. And there certainly had been a quite regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will truly go on as most certainly lengthy as it most certainly stays in the rosy region. So which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, or so they truly thought. You ought to possibly sort of secure crypto this moment assuming you ready to fundamentally hold it through the highs and lows of the crypto market, exhibiting that following basically are the help and obstruction levels of especially smooth love mixture by and large smooth love elixir execution. The especially day-to-day diagram of truly smooth love elixir for the most part shows that the SLP cost truly has a genuinely descending development with a 1.18% decline in common